What's up, everybody? This is Bill. I'm going to do a review here for you. I got the HTC One S from T-Mobile, and what you're seeing there is the transparent green. Let's see, make sure you can see that there. The Cruiser Lite case. It's the Androidify Cruiser Lite is what it's called, and you can find that on Amazon. I got it on sale for $10. The regular price like $18. And it's a flexible case. It's not as flexible as silicone, a little bit sturdier than that. It's not hard plastic, and it's not a snap-on. It's all one piece, just wraps around. What I'm going to show you today, I've got this, let me show you my live wallpaper first. I always let everybody know what live wallpaper I'm running. This is called Secret Live Wallpaper. Secret Wallpaper is what it's titled. It's actually, I believe it's off of the Galaxy, one of the Galaxy Nexus. I'm not sure which generation of Galaxy Nexus. I found this as an APK. There's also another one that's a beach with the water running. That's also off the same device. On there it's called Windmill, and then it's called Beach Scene, I think, something like that. And anyway, so if you search for Galaxy Windmill Live Wallpaper APK on Google, you will find this live wallpaper. And when you download it, it'll say Secret Wallpaper. And there'll be Secret Wallpaper 1, Secret Wallpaper 2. This is Secret Wallpaper 2. So anyway, let's get down to business here. I want to show you what I found out here. Let's open up my, go to my music player. What I'm doing a review here on is Twonky Server. Now, Twonky you can download out of the Play Store to your phone. That is for dlna sharing. This is a dlna device. Now, a Windows computer, a Windows-based computer, is also dlna. I have a Windows computer running Windows XP Professional. So I know that it works on that. I don't know about anything else. That's what I have. So what I want to show you today is I downloaded Twonky Server. I went to twonky.com on my computer, downloaded Twonky Server to my computer. Twonky Server, if you go into your computer and you go to My Documents, and then you should have music, you should have video, and you should have pictures. In each of those folders, you'll see that Twonky put its own folder there. That's so it can share from that folder. So any music you take and drag it into your music folder, not into the Twonky folder, but just into the music folder and let it float right there, you'll be able to find it. So what I've done, and also one quick tip here, if you have the HTC One S and you download SoundHound, you can see right here, if I click right there, that's because I have SoundHound installed on the phone. And SoundHound plays very nice with the HTC One S. They actually made a spot for it right in its media player. So you can see it's listening right now. So anyway, that's how SoundHound works. So let's get to the Twonky. So if you click up here, okay, then you're going to hit your back arrow over here and go all the way back to the beginning where it shows the apps that you have in your media player. Okay? I think you can see that pretty clear. So what I've done is you hit menu up here from there, and it says Media Servers. Click on Media Servers. It's searching for the servers. Okay, and remember, I'm on Wi-Fi, and so is my computer. It's also on Wi-Fi. So you can see here, hopefully, you can see there it's found Twonky. So if you hit Twonky, now it's also found my Windows computer as well, but I don't have all the data shared with the Windows computer because I have other people in the house that use computers also. So I'm not trying to share everything, but anybody that has this kind of media player, like my fiance's HTC One S also, she can get on there, and there's no code or nothing with the Twonky server. So you can see here, I'm going to click on music because I'm in my media player. Now you can do this from your gallery and search for pictures, and you can do it from your video streaming on the HTC One S also, and then you would search for video. So I'm in the music player, search for music, hit all tracks, and you're going to see it's going to take a minute. It came up with songs. So you can see here, I have about 25 gig of music that is downloaded to my computer as part of this in the Twonky file. on the music in my documents. So you can see here, I've got just an endless amount of music. And then it says more. Click on more. So you can see how that's working. So let's go to... Let's find a good song here and I'll show you how it works. So let's go to the Black Eyed Peas.
Let the beat rock. 50-50. Let the beat rock. What's good? This is a man.
Again, I'm not quite sure on the album art because I know that's not the album art for this. I let it catch up a little bit and it did start picking up some of the album art also. So again, and I don't have the fastest network also. Our Wi-Fi here is pretty cheesy. But anyway, so that's how it works. So that's what I wanted to demonstrate today is how you can put Twonky server on your computer and share. And I don't have Twonky server on my phone right now. I've used it and I just took it off there just to demonstrate that it works without it. It'll pick up that server because of the dlna built into the Htc One S. And you can say I got Google Play Music, Slacker, Pandora, my phone, which I have music on my phone. It's going to bring up all the music that I have right there on the phone. And then as you can also see here, if you hit menu, you can add app shortcut. It gives you that option right there. Add app shortcut. You can add whatever kind of music player that you have. So for instance, Pandora, Slacker radio, stuff like that. You can add that. So if you just click on add app shortcut, it's going to find like Vivo or FM radio. It's going to find all that stuff that's in the phone that's capable of playing music, and you can throw that in your media player so you can get to it straight from your media player without ever leaving your media player, which is pretty good. And then everything coming through also has Beats audio. What I wanted to show you, let me get a song streaming here. What I wanted to show you, let's just play something here. Okay, let's turn the volume down. What I wanted to show you, this happened after the last update. So what I'm doing is I'm plugging a headphones in here. Okay, you can see there at the top the option for Beats audio came up. So if I pull this down and I go to Beats audio, all I have the option for anymore is Beats audio on or off. Now the software update that T-Mobile sent out, this is what they did. That update got rid of all the equalizer settings in the HTC One S. I'm not too thrilled about it, but at the same time, all the equalizer settings did sound somewhat distorted to me. I don't understand why they got rid of them, but I guess if they decided that that's just not a decent option to have on the phone, I guess I can understand that. They did sound pretty distorted. Beats audio sound the clearest anyway. But so now all you have when you drop your drop down bar is Beats audio on or Beats audio off, and you can see if you go into here or not here, pardon me. If you go up here while the music's playing, you have your sound enhancer. Even if you go into sound enhancer, there's what it comes up with. It used to come up with about 10 or 11 different settings for the audio player when you have headphones plugged in. Any pair of headphones, don't just have to be Beats audio. So you can see there, now all that you have is Beats audio enabled or Beats audio disabled. So again, I hope you enjoyed my video. Subscribe to my channel. It's the HTC One S from T-Mobile. And that's how Beats audio and the Twonky server stream music from your CPU to your phone. Hope you enjoy my video, folks. Have a good day. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment. If you got any questions, I will try to answer them. You can hit me up on Twitter, Bill Ramsier Jr., all one word. It's the same as my YouTube channel. Have a good day.